Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about Tesla and their end of the month sale. So we know that they've been broadcasting that if the Model Y will be increasing by $1,000 on March 1st. And so basically what that means is if you're going to buy a vehicle, you got to pick it up on February 29th to get the savings. And as you can see here, we're at the Tesla.com website, and you can see when you click on Tesla.com, they take you right to the Model Y. And it states here, Model Y starting at $35,490 after federal tax credit. And they give you a little fine print over here. Eligible buyers qualify for $7,500 federal tax credit. Apply at time of Model Y delivery. And then you can click on here to see for more details. But if we click on here for shop available, like I stated before, these are the inventory vehicle that Tesla already mass produced and is ready available for you guys to pick up. So if you are in need of a vehicle and you want the savings, this is a good time to purchase the vehicle. So we'll click on it and we'll see what kind of savings we have. So here, usually what I like to do, I like to sort out the lowest price first. All right, and here again the reminders all the tax credit and like this before. Okay, so and it tells you briefly if the vehicle is new, demo, or like that. So you can see the miles they have as well too. This one like 354 miles and it's a demo vehicle. And regular price for this is $43,990. And apparently with the inventory discount, it's now $39,150. But as you can see, we're going to scroll down and it's going to Tesla website. It's updated where it tells you exactly what vehicles qualify for the tax credit. And as you can see from here, none of these vehicles qualified, right? So we scroll down, none of these qualified as well. All right, so starting with the third row, we can notice that this model, these two qualifies because it tells you right here, right? On this side over here, it doesn't. So that means if you like the blue color and you buy this one, it does not qualify for the $7,500. So here it tells you exactly that the vehicle, bring it down to $34,200 after tax. That's an amazing deal for a Tesla Model Y. Okay, so we're not going to go into the spec of the Model Y again, 260 miles, all that stuff. You can read it on your own. But if you're going to buy a vehicle from inventory, again, you make sure you look at this one right here. See, this one, like I told you guys before in my previous video, usually the stealth gray color, the newer color, the ultra red are the ones that are with the discount. With midnight silver, these are the vehicles that they made before the discount takes effect. So you don't see that with the midnight silver, okay? But as you can see here with the midnight silver, it gives you like the induction wheel 20-inch. All right, and this one is even included with the tow hitch too, and it's only $41,000. This one 19-inch wheels, and then it's $42,670 because you look at this right here, tax credit right there, and this blue color as well too. So there's a lot of vehicles that qualifies for the tax credits. You can see here stealth gray right here. Like I said, these are the new color for sure. These are the new ones. All right, it doesn't even have miles on it. And the red color, check this out. These are the one that I bought before. Mine exactly like this, but my color was multi-red, and I paid $58,000, and I thought I was saving a lot of money. Turned out I didn't. But for you guys to buy the same vehicle with better tech and everything at a fraction of price, $36,000, which is awesome deal, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So like I said, if you need a vehicle and you qualify for the tax credit, inventory vehicle is the way to go. I bought it and it's and it's as good as it is. So but if you're picky, you want to pick your own color and you want to go through customizations, you can do that too, but you're probably going to take take about 2 to 3 weeks before you take your delivery of your vehicle. But if you guys have any questions regarding about Tesla, feel free to leave a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.